Hey guys, Disney Cars Toy Club here to show you Mattel's Microdrifters World Grand Prix Multi-Car Launcher. This toy is for children ages 4 and up and includes 3 pieces that snap together easily. A sticker sheet is included so you can customize your launcher any way you'd like. No batteries are required, and this set comes with 1 Microdrifter, Max Schnell. After your launcher is put together, all you need to do is gather up all of your Microdrifters, because this launches 3 cars at a time. You'll load them into the back, push down the lever, and watch them go. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please check out our other videos to see more fun Cars toys. Thanks for watching.